ICT connects people, businesses, and governments across countries in just seconds. But while ICT brings many benefits, it also creates challenges. So, let's proceed to the positive impact. One major positive impact of ICT on globalization is faster communication. Through emails, messaging, apps, and video conferencing, people from different countries can connect instantly. ICT also promotes global businesses. Companies like Amazon and Alibaba Group allow products to be bought and sold worldwide. Small businesses can now reach international customers. So, for another benefit is remote work. Platforms such as Zoom video communications make it possible for employees to work from home while collaborating globally. ICT also improves education. Students can access online courses and information from around the world. Now, let's proceed for the negative impact. However, ICT also has negative effects on globalization. One problem is cybercrime. Hackers can steal personal information and financial information. Another issue is the digital divide. Some countries or communities lack access to stable internet, creating inequality. Automation and artificial intelligence may also replace human jobs, especially in manufacturing and customer service. Lastly, misinformation. Misinformation spreads quickly online, affecting politics and society. Now, lastly, for the conclusion. In conclusion, ICT greatly influenced globalization by connecting the world faster than ever before. While it offers economic growth and global opportunities, it also presents serious challenges. Therefore, ICT must be used responsibly to ensure globalization benefits everyone. That's all, guys. Thank you for listening. That's all.